Hi kids, it's Teacher Kathy back on our nature hike. Only today we're going to be using our sense of hearing. To do that, you remember you always have to stop, listen, and be quiet. The first sound is the sound of oak leaves crunching underneath my boots. We get down to this pond and hear little bitty frogs called spring peepers. You don't even see them, just hear them. Up in these treetops, I could hear a bird. Yep, it's a woodpecker. Back down at the marsh, I thought the sound of the water splashing on this boardwalk was cool. And in the reeds nearby, you can listen for the call of one of my favorite birds, the red-winged blackbird. That's it for today. You can go and try to hear and see your own nature.